Hello, everybody. It's Miss Henderson. Today, I wanted to discuss the point of view assignment. In this assignment, you need to take 5 pictures. So you're going to have somebody sit in a chair. That's the easiest thing to do. And you're going to take a picture of them, as the page says, from the front, the back, the right side, the left side. You can go up, you can go low. So move your camera around. The person sitting in the chair does not move, but you, the photographer, are going to walk all around the person. And then we're going to make a collage. This is super easy. So Pixlr Express had a collage feature, but as you know, that's being phased out. So I went ahead and looked at Canva. So in Canva, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click on Instagram post. Okay. So you're going to click an Instagram post and you're going to get something like this. And you can pick any template you want to, because we're going to delete everything. So I picked this template, and then I'm going to kind of select all and just hit backspace, and everything goes away. Bye-bye. Come over here and click elements, and you're going to look for the word grids. Once you see the word grids here, you're going to hit see all. So you were going to pick the template. It starts with 1 picture, then goes to 2, then 3. So you're going to scroll down until you see a template you like that has 5 pictures. You're going to pick that template that you like. Here's the one that I chose over here. Then you're going to go to the uploads button here.
I need all these other stuff.
Okay, good job. So you're going to click the uploads video, and I've already uploaded the videos here of Lizzie. Now, of course, these little mountain pictures are just placeholders. So I'm going to play around with the order of them. If you have a phone, and the app Instagram Layout is an amazing app. I really like that layout. I really like that fun app. So I'm going to play around with these. Maybe I don't want this picture right there because that's the back. That's not her most interesting picture. I think that is. So I'm going to go with that one. This one is kind of blurry, so I'm going to replace that one with something over there. And so maybe I'm going to take the blurry picture and make that small. And what picture did I leave out? 1, 2, 3, 4, upside. Now, as you can see, I just threw these pictures on there, and this one right here, her head's getting cut off. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see where I can either use the arrow keys, or I can just take this and kind of drag it down. And one of the good things to do when you're using a grid, a default grid picture, is you don't have to worry about the photo or premium images. Sometimes with the Canva templates, when you go to download them, they will want to charge you for it if you're using some special feature that they have. And you can log into this with your school account. You don't need to pay for anything. It's completely free. All right, so now that I'm done, I'm going to click the done button. All right, and here in the top right-hand corner, you see the download button. So it's going to give us a variety of formats to download the image. So you either want to pick the PNG or the JPEG option. Don't do the PDF or the video, things like that. So you have the high quality and the small file size. So I'm going to go with the high quality, especially since it's free. There's no $sign, so I know I'm not paying for that. And I'm going to quickly hit the download button. And since I'm on my Chromebook, it's going to download. There it is. There's my download manager, and it's going to be on in my download things. And of course, this ad's going to pop up because it wants me to do Canva Premium. No, thank you. So again, really quickly, how did I do this? The collage assignment, I went to canva.com. I click Instagram post. Then I selected everything by Control A, and I hit the backspace key to delete everything. Then I went under elements. There's a wide variety of elements. I clicked grids and then went see all. And then I picked a 5-picture grid that I liked. You just click that and the placeholders automatically go over. And then remember, for my photographs, you would think you hit the photos button, but that's not it. That's Canva's photos. Remember, you're going to go to uploads and you're going to upload your images from your Google Drive. And then once you've uploaded the images, you're just going to drag and drop them in your template. Move the images around so that people's heads aren't cut off. That would look funny. And then once you're done, you quickly hit, I don't know if there's a save button, but you can hit the download button. And you're going to download it. Easy peasy. Thank you so much. Email me if you have questions. Bye.